Hi guys! By now, I hope that you've practiced some breathing techniques. You've probably watched my past video about just a quick warm-up, just a cat and cow to get the spine flexibility. Today I want to talk to you about Surya Namaskar, which means sun salutation in Sanskrit. This is a fantastic way to get your day started. This is something that we do in yoga quite often, in the beginning, in the middle, or sometimes even at the end of the class. But this quick pit is just a fantastic way to get your body warm up. And if you're new to yoga, this is a great way to start your journey into yoga. And if you don't really care about practicing yoga, this is just a great physical and mental exercise. This is going to help you boost your immune system. It's going to get your entire body moving with control, with mindfulness, using your breath. If you have any anxiety issues, this is going to help calm you down. It's going to help with sleeplessness and insomnia. It's also proven to help with digestion system. So it's a fantastic way to get the toxins out and start your day. Are you ready? Join me at the top of your mat. You can have the feet together, or you can have the feet hip width apart. The most important thing is the feet are constantly parallel, so that means the toes are pointing forward. Think of your body as the architecture of a building, as I keep on saying. Stack your knees on top of the ankles, hips on top of the knees, shoulders on top of the hips. Crown of the head is reaching towards the ceiling. Tailbone, that tiny little last bone in your vertebra, is pointing towards the ground. So you're tucking the tailbone in, engaging the core, lengthening the sides of your body. And ignore my hands as I'm doing all these things. Your hands are relaxed. Fingers are pointing towards the bottom, towards the ground. And take a few moments here, just breathe. This is called Tadasana, or mountain pose. Imagine yourself as a tall, strong mountain. When you're ready, exhale all the air out. Bring the palms together, reach all the way up. High prayer, maybe slight back bend. As you exhale, hinge from the hips, fold forward all the way down. Inhale halfway, so spine is nice and tall. Exhale, palms to the mat, the right leg all the way back, knee down. Maybe this is where you are. Inhale into low lunge, pressing the hips down and forward, reaching the arms all the way up, really engaging the sides, really lengthening the chest, the crown of the head, everything reaching towards the sky. As you exhale, bring the palms down, tuck the toes, lift the back leg, front leg to the back, plank. Inhale into high, strong plank, spine is nice and tall. As you exhale, bend the knees, chest and chin, all the way to the mat. Inhale the heart forward, low cobra, neck is in line with the spine. As you exhale, tuck the toes and press back into downward facing dog. Take a moment in down dog. Catch your breath if you need to. Exhale all the air out here. Inhale right leg up and back. Exhale, round the spine and place the right foot in between the palms. Back knee down. Inhale into low lunge on the opposite side. Take a breath. Reach the arms all the way up. As you exhale, bring the palms back down. Lift the back leg off the mat. Back leg to the front. Fold forward. And inhale, reverse swan dive all the way up. Exhale the prayer down the midline and back into Tadasana. Take a deep breath and keep on going on the opposite side. So again, feet can be together or hip width apart. Exhale all the air out here. Inhale all the way up, high prayer. Exhale, folding forward, hinging from the hips. Inhaling halfway. Exhale, left leg all the way back this time, knee down, low lunge, hips down and forward. Exhale, palms to the mat. Both legs back, high plank. Inhale in plank. Spine is in one strong line, pressing the mat away. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Inhale the heart forward, low cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a moment in down dog. Catch your breath. Inhale the left leg nice and tall behind you. Bend the knee around the spine, left leg in between the palm, back knee down, low lunge on the opposite side, and exhale, lift the back leg to the front, fold forward. Inhale, reverse swan dive all the way up. Exhale, back into Tadasana. Keep on going. Traditionally, we do 3 on each side, so 6 rounds, but you can keep going and do as many as you want, or you can include this in your practice. This is the way I do Surya Namaskar, inspired by Shivananda Yoga, but I know that a lot of people do it differently, so I'm really looking forward to see how you guys do it. If you have any other variations, I'm going to be doing some different variations over the next few weeks, so please share and let me know. And if you find this helpful, please share with your friends, your family. Let me know what you guys think. Namaste.